Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss about the new chapter, that is the organic chemistry. Organic compound containing the nitrogen. Organic compound containing the nitrogen atom. That is the new chapter name. Organic compounds containing nitrogen. Organic compound containing nitrogen. That is the new chapter or new edition name. That is also known as a organic compound containing nitrogen. That is the new chapter. Today we are going to discuss about the organic chemistry. That is the organic compound containing the nitrogen atom. What is the organic compound containing the nitrogen atom? For example, alkyl amines. Next one, here is the organic compound containing the nitrogen included. Here is the organic compound containing nitrogen include alkyl amine. Alkyl amine, R means the alkyl. Here is the aliphatic amine. Here is the alkyl amine. Second one is alkyl cyanides, R bond CN. Here is the nitrogen considered the organic compound. Here is the alkyl amine considered the nitrogen atom. Next one, alkyl cyanide consists the nitrogen atom. Alkyl isocyanide consists the nitrogen atom. Next another one, diazonium salt. Those four salts are existed the nitrogen atom. Those four salts are also known as a organic compound containing the nitrogen atom. Nitrogen atom. Today we are going to discuss about the new chapter of organic compound containing the nitrogen atom. That is the organic compound containing nitrogen include. Those are, first one, alkyl. Alkyl means that the R is equal to any alkyl. R is equal to any CH3. Any CH3, it is also known as a methyl or alkyl. Methyl or alkyl. So alkyl cyanide, alkyl isocyanide, alkyl amines. Here is the R is equal to NeCH3. R means alkyl. R means alkyl amines. Amines also known as NH2. Here is the alkyl amine consists the nitrogen atom. Second one, alkyl cyanide, R bond CN, are also known as a alkyl. CN means cyanide. Here is the function group of CN. NH2 also known as a function group. So here is the R means the alkyl cyanides. Next, alkyl cyanide consists the nitrogen atom. Next, third one, alkyl isocyanides. Alkyl isocyanide, R bond NC. Alkyl isocyanide. Here is the alkyl isocyanide consists the nitrogen atom. Next, another one, diazonium salt. Diazonium salt. Here is the diazonium salts consist the nitrogen atom. Those four compound exist the nitrogen atom. That is the first one, amines. And it is also now write that NH2. NH2 also known as a amines. Amines are the organic compound derivative. Amines are organocompound derivatives from ammonia. Here is the NH2 also known as amines. Amines are organocompound derivative of the ammonia. They are formed by the replacing one or two or three hydrogen atom of ammonia. For example, nitrogen bonding with three hydrogen atom. Here is the bond 1, 2, 3. Here is the R bond N is the central atom. Here is the amines. Here is the amine or organocompound derivative of ammonia. They are formed by the replaced. Here is the replacement of 1. Here is the R bond NH2. replacement of one hydrogen. Next one, R2NH. Here is the secondary amine. R3NH, replacement of 3 hydrogen atom. Here is the 3 hydrogen atom, here is the 2 hydrogen atom, here is the 1 hydrogen atom. That is the amines are organocompound derivative of ammonia. They are formed by the replaced of hydrogen, 1 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, 3 hydrogen of ammonia with alkyl groups. That is also known as a alkyl group. That is also known as a R also known as a alkyl group. General formula of the ammonia amines is, general formula of the amines is, it is right that R3NO లేదా here is the nitrogen bond R bond R bond R. That is also right that R3NO R3N. Here is the replacement of the 3 hydrogen atom, replacement of the 3 hydrogen of ammonia with alkyl group, that is also known as a amines. That is also known as amines. Here is the structure of ammonia. Ammonia is general formula NH3. Here the nitrogen is the 5th A group elements. All 5th A group elements exist the one lone pair electron. Here is the nitrogen is the central atom bonding with 3 hydrogen atom. One exists the lone pair electron. So it undergo sp3 hybridization to form of a 4sp3 hybrid orbital. 3 is the bond pair electron, 1 is the lone pair electron. So here is the forming of pyramidal structure. As like that, Vesper theory, then form of the pyramidal structure. That is the structure of ammonia. Ammonia general formula NH3. Here is the N is the central atom. That the nitrogen atom bonding with the 3 hydrogen atom, 1 is the lone pair electron. All 5th A group elements exist the one lone pair electron. So here is the central atom nitrogen atom undergo sp3 hybridization to form of 4sp3 hybrid orbital. 3 is the bond pair electron, 1 is the lone pair electron. According to Vesper theory, then form of pyramidal structure and exist the bond angle is 109 degrees 5 minutes. Next another one, classification of amines. Here is the depending on the number of hydrogen atom. Here is the depending of number of hydrogen atom. Here is the NH3. Here is the nitrogen bonding with the 3 hydrogen atom. That is also known as the depending of number of hydrogen atom replaced by the alkyl. Alkyl R means also known as a alkyl. Next one, alkyl R also known as a alkyl or aryl group. AR also known as a aryl group in ammonia molecule. Next one, amines are classified into 3 types. Primary amines, secondary amines, tertiary amines. Primary amines, secondary amines, tertiary amines. That is the first one, primary amines. Depending on the number of hydrogen atom. Here is the one hydrogen atom replaced by the R. That is also known as a alkyl group of ammonia. That is also called as primary amine. Here is the one hydrogen atom. For example, N bond, hydrogen bond R. Here is the one hydrogen atom is replaced by the one alkyl group. That is also called as a primary amine. R bond NH2. It is right that R bond NH2. Next one, secondary amine. Here is the 2 hydrogens. Here is the R bond R. Here is the 2 hydrogen atom replaced by the 2 alkyl groups. 1 2 R1 R. That is also known as a alkyl group. 2 hydrogen atom 1 2 2 hydrogen atom is replaced by the or two alkyl groups, that is also called as a secondary amines. Or two bond NH, that is also known as a secondary amine. Next another one, tertiary amines. Three hydrogen atom replaced by the three alkyl groups, that is also called as a tertiary amines. It is right that R3 bond N, here is the three hydrogen atom. Three hydrogen atom is replaced by the three alkyl groups, that is also called as a tertiary amines. Here is the ammonia structure, ammonia general formula NH3. Nitrogen bonding with the three hydrogen, that is also structure of ammonia. Here is the depending on the number of hydrogen atom, depending upon the number of hydrogen atom is replaced by the alkyl groups R లేదా aryl group AR, that is also known as a benzyl group in ammonia molecule. That is the classification of amines. For example, amines are classified into four types, that are primary amines, secondary amines, tertiary amines or quaternary amines. For example, here is the primary amine, one hydrogen atom replaced by the one alkyl group, that is also called as a primary amines. Two hydrogen atom is replaced by the two alkyl groups, that is also called as a secondary amines. Next, three hydrogen atom is replaced by the three alkyl groups. Here is the R1, R2, R. That is the three hydrogen atom is replaced by the three alkyl groups. It is right that R3 bond N. That is also called as a tertiary amines. That is the classification of amines. Next one చూసినట్లయితే, next one we are discuss about the nomenclature. That is the first one, aliphatic. Here is the aliphatic means that the R, that is also known as a aliphatic. There is the carbon bonding with the another carbon atom to form of a long chain, that is also known as a aliphatic compound. Here is the aliphatic amines. For example, R bond NH2. R is equal to number of CH3 or NCH3. Here is the aliphatic amines are commonly named as alkanamines. Here is the first one, nomenclature of the amines. The first point, aliphatic amines are commonly named. Aliphatic amines are commonly named as a alkyl amines. Alkyl amines. Aliphatic amines named as a alkyl amines. For example, R bond NH2. It is also right that alkyl amines. Alkyl amines. Next another one, secondary tertiary amines containing two or more alkyl groups. Here is the secondary amines, R2NH or R3NH. Here is the secondary amine or tertiary amines containing two or more alkyl groups. Two or more alkyl groups named by the adding of prefix di or tri before of alkyl groups. Before of alkyl groups. For example, secondary amines consist of the two alkyl groups. Tertiary amines consist of the three alkyl groups named by the adding of prefix di or tri before of alkyl groups. Next point, IUPAC name of amines is alkanamines. IUPAC name of amines is alkanamines. Alkanamines, that is right that IUPAC name of amines is right that alkanamines. For example, here is the organic compound, common name, IUPAC names. IUPAC name. Here is the common name. CH3 bond, CH2 bond, CH2. Here is the two carbon atom, 1, 2. Here is the two carbon atom, it is right that prefix of eth. Single bond, ethyl. Here is the NH2 also known as a ethylamine. Common name, ethylamine. Next one, IUPAC name also write that alkanamines. or also write that how many carbon atom? 2 carbon atom. 2 carbon atom also called as a ethanamine. Ethanamine. For example, IUPAC names of amines also called as a alkanamines. Alkanamines. So here is the 2 carbon atom. It is also called as a eth. Here is the ethyl. Or also CH2 bond CH2 also write the alkyl groups. CH3 bond CH2 also write that alkyl groups. Ethyl amine. NH2 also write that ethyl amine. It is also common name. Next one, IUPAC names write that amines also is called as alkanamine. Eth plus amine, ethanamine. Eth plus amine also write that ethanamine. Next one, CH3 bond CH2 taken 2 bond CH2. Here is the number of carbon atoms are 2 plus 1 3. That is right that N prop means of the 3 N propyl amine. N propyl amine. N also number of carbon atom. That means N propyl amine. N propyl amine. Next one, IUPAC prop plus amine, propanamine. Propane 1 amine or propanamine. Prop 1 amine. Next another one, CH3 bond CH2 bond NH2 bond CH3. It is called as iso 1 2 3 isopropylamine. Next propan 2 amine. Because of here is the NH2 group function group attached with the 2 carbon atom. So it is raised that propan 2 amine. Next another one, aryl groups. Benzene bonding with the amines. Benzene bonding with the NH2 group. Common name aniline or aminobenzene. Here is the IUPAC name. Here is the alkanamine, benzenamine. Here is the IUPAC also write that benzenamine. Next another one, here is the benzene bonding with the 2 function groups NH2 and CH3. NH2 also called as amines. CH3 also called as methyl. Here is the ortho position, meta position. Ortho, meta, para. So O means that the orthotolidine. Or orthoaminotoluene. For example, here is the benzene bonding with the CH3. It is also called as methyl benzene or toluene. Bonding with NH2. It is also called as a toluidine. That is the IUPAC names and common names of the organic compound containing of the nitrogen atom. For example, amines. That is the first function group of the amines. Here is the today we are going to discuss about the classification of amines and the amine general structure formula of ammonia, and there are primary amines and secondary amine and tertiary amine. Remaining another one, nomenclature of the amines. Next another one, preparation of the amines.